Hi, I'm Cassie with Missouri Star. I'm with our customer service team, and I'm here to show you a few of my projects that I have done. My first ever quilt I done was with a panel, and this is, I don't know if I'm holding it up high enough or not. I really liked the colors in this because I'm a big blue and green fan, so I thought that turned out pretty well. And then I have another quilt I'm going to share that I done with charm packs. This one was for my daughter. She's 7, and she picked it out because she really likes all the stuff with quilting. She's shown an interest in it, so that was really fun to have her pick this out. I don't know if I got it up the right way or not. There we go. If it'll unfold here. All right, and there's that one. And then my biggest quilt I'm here to share is actually the one I'm really the proudest of, and it is called the Katie's Quilt, and I am doing it as a housewarming gift for my cousin Katie. She's pretty much like a sister to me. So she picked out the colors, which I figured was the color she was going to go with. So I'm going to show that one. It's not completed yet, it's just the top. So I don't know if I got that held up high enough there for you guys. So there is that. I don't know if you want to lay it out there, kind of see a little bit more of it. Try to unfold that. So there is a little bit better picture of it maybe. All right, and one last thing I want to share is something that is good for young kids, and also if you don't really want to use a sewing machine, it is very great. It's called the Artsy board. There's several different designs. We sell them on our website. Chose this one because my family has a lot of horses. So it's not quite finished yet. I have one little piece left, but I just wanted to share this little extra with you. I hope you've enjoyed the things I've showed you today. If you'd like to show us your creations, you can use #MSQC Show and Tell.